What is up, everyone? DJ Martini Midwest Reviews coming at you with another video for my channel. Today we're just going to do a quick update on a former video on the Belink. I've heard some people having issues trying to learn how to pair them to a device, so we're just going to get that out of the way really quick. No biggie. I'm going to get straight to the point here right away. I just want to say thank you to everybody, to all my subscribers and everybody. It's going to be a really quick general tutorial on how to get that done. If you've never tuned into my channel, just know I like to do reviews, I like to do tutorials, and I like to just help. So if I can help anybody, that's great, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel at DJ Martini Midwest Reviews. So let's get into the video right away. I know everybody's on a timetable here, and they just want to know how to get these paired. So when you do turn them on, they should go automatically into pairing mode. If they do not, instructions in the box as well. Right there with the Belink. Just get into it. When you turn them on, they'll start flashing, so you do have to do a long push, about 5-second long push on the main play pause button right here in the middle. You can see that play pause right here. You just hold them 5 seconds, they're going to turn on. Now that's Bluetooth pairing mode right there. It is flashing Bluetooth pairing mode at the moment. So we're going to go to the device. I've never hooked them up to this tablet right here, so we're going to go ahead and I'm just going to go back to my main screen here, and I'm going to go to my settings. This will be the same on every device you use. Apple, this is an Android tablet, but an Apple device, you just go to your settings, the Bluetooth devices, which is going to be up here a little bit actually. So connect Bluetooth devices right here. I'm going to connect that. It says pair a new device right here. I'm going to hit pair a new device. Right there, it's going to be searching, and boo, you can see that it picked up the Belink right there. It says Belink right there. All I'm going to do is hit the Belink pairing mode. It says right there, it's asking me, do I want to pair? We got the headphones still flashing. Yes, I want to pair. I hit pair, and look, they stop flashing, so I am paired. Pretty easy process here. Just gonna make sure that they work. Let's go ahead, and it does say that I'm 100% battery with the Belink active, so they're working right now. See if I can get my title to open real quick. And I just want to make sure that they're working. So right here, so I'm on my title now. I have my headphones hooked up. I'm gonna press play, and boom, they're working. So I don't know if you can hear that, but you can hear a little bit of sound there. So these are working. It is connected. It's paired. Pretty easy process. Like I said, will be the same for iOS or Android. You're just going to go to your settings, go to your Bluetooth. I will also put it in the description as well, worded from another party who asked me the same question, and I kind of wrote it down for him, and I put it in the comments as well. So a long 5-second press on the play pause button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It automatically will flash blue and red to get into your pairing mode. Go to your device, go to settings, go to Bluetooth, add a new device, or just go to Bluetooth, look for it, and it will say Belink X. Push that. Android, you probably have to say pair to it. It'll just pair, and then it will stop flashing. Shows you that you're connected. Test it out. If it doesn't work, repeat the process, shut the headphones off, turn them back on with that long press, and you should be able to get it into pairing mode as long as it's flashing blue and red. All right, and make sure you get a good charge on those headphones right away out of the box. Let them go ahead and do a deep charge for a couple hours. That way they're charged at 100% right away, because when I got these headphones, they were absolutely dead. I had to charge them. I didn't even have an option for that. So maybe if you're getting them and they're limited charge, maybe they don't automatically go into pairing mode. Go ahead and give them a deep charge. Let them charge for the couple hours first thing when you get them, and then go ahead and hit that pairing cycle that I just talked about. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. DJ Martini Midwest Reviews. Have any questions or anything, let me know. If this was helpful at all, please leave a like, subscribe, or share. Thank you so much. Hit those bell notifications so you know when I upload the next video, and please join this Martini Nation for future tutorials and videos.